Oh, one more result here. Vidit Gujarati has drawn his game against Shashi Kiran.
Again, good result for brutal bishops because
Hey,
somewhere.
hey, 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 but again, it's a draw by agreement on move 25 6.
Oof, this. But who offered?
Oh my god.
This is not. This is not a great thing. In fact, this is in for the first 3 days we had no such cases. But today it seems like all of them are unable to bear the pressure, and all of them are offering draws.
My phone is gonna now burst with all the messages. Crazy, crazy scenes in this tournament, guys. Crazy stuff. Nice comments में अपना full traction होने वाला है आज. क्या बोलते हो भाई?
I don't know, but it's what has happened. Maybe our arbiters can update us.
all right, guys. Now let's see here. Move 30 has happened. कौन से move से पहले draw नहीं करना agreement?
40.
40 दोस्तों और 10 move खेलने please. And don't go for a draw by agreement here. Rook h1 with the threat of rook h8 mate, Sagar Shah.
Oh my god. Is it forced mate?
No, no. We
What do
have
you
so
do?
many moves here. No, rook h5 is there.
But what is so many moves? It's a free rook.
What else to do here? How to? There you go. This match is ended. So basically, Brutal Bishops has won one game. Crazy Knights has won one game. 2 games are drawn and 2 games are
No, but
going
that
on.
2 games, Samay, one of them is going to be losing because of this draw offer rule. Someone is going to lose that game.
Somebody gonna get a.
Let's hope no more draw offers here, guys. By the way, Hikaru Nakamura is clearly better in his game. 7 khela hai, Wang Hao ne. But I think Samay, if we are not sure yet, we haven't got an update from the arbiters about who offered a draw, but perhaps it was Vidit. Perhaps so. We will try to wait and watch about what has happened there.
1 sec.
Okay. Samay has gone, so chessboard movement is. I have to go and sit there, perhaps. Okay, h6 has been played. Vidit offered the draw. So that means it's going to be a win for Crazy Knights. Wow, that is huge. Knight to d7, rook a7 has moved in. Guys, this means that, here Kostyanyuk won, right? So just a quick roundup. Kostyanyuk won. And Aryan won. So that's 1-1. And there were draws. So 2 games are going on. Sit. 2 games. Okay, guys. Basically, we will try to. Yeah, the result has come. Shashi Kiran has been given a win. That means 2 pink victories, Samay. That is 2 wins for Crazy Knights. 1 win for Kostyanyuk, for Brutal Bishops. And now there's only last game in progress. If Wang Hao holds this, Crazy Knights, sorry, if Hikaru just draws this, Crazy Knights win.
Yeah.
It's a big result.
It's a very big result, and if they're winning this mostly, then Crazy Knights.
Yeah. And I think this draw rule has really led to 2 points. 2 points.
2 points and 2,500 messages in my WhatsApp.
No, but guys, the thing is that it's not like something new.
Yeah, we had written this in the rule book.
This is written and sent to all the players. Of course, they are aware, but it could be on the heat of the moment they did not see, or maybe they did not read about the rules.
It's like the terms and conditions that you click on tick before you.
But this is much more than that, And guys, now Hikaru is a pawn up, so very less chances that he might lose this game. Yeah. Anish Giri says brutal bishops versus brutal regulations on Twitter. That's what he says. And Let's see. Right
Hikaru
now,
has to convert this now, and even if he holds it, it's winning.
I would argue, frankly, I'm busier than everybody else who's playing in this event, and I was able to read the rules. And I would say that there's one thing, no matter what tournament you play in, that you always check. And you know what you check? You always check to see what are the rules on draws. You always check that automatically before every single tournament. You always do that. Like I might not read half the regulations for Chess 24 stuff, but I guarantee you the one thing I always read are the draw rules. So that's what I would say. That's like the number one thing that you have to always check. I don't care what term is, you always check the draw rules. Anish tweeted something too. What did Anish tweet? Anish tweets something. He tweets I literally don't care as I'm not in his team, but I'm supporting VD here. Usually you just get a warning and play it out. Here's what I will say about this, however. I actually kind of agree. I kind of agree with Anish a little bit here and Vita in that I think what should happen is that you should get some kind of warning.